My name is Darlie Hart, and this is my Biology 101 final video project, which focuses on invasive species. This is a picture of me on Saturday, October 12th, working on a lead project with a group of other students. That day our job was removing invasive species from a road near the Outback Farm. The Himalayan blackberry, whose scientific name is Rubus armeniacus, is considered an invasive species in the area. They are so common that if you were to pick all of the unwanted blackberries that can be found along the sides of freeways and roads in the summer, you could probably feed an entire third world country. The big idea that I decided to focus on was how humans influence the ecosystem for better or for worse. As humans, we do help to remove invasive species, but we are often the reason that they are here in the first place. The first topic I decided to focus on was invasive species. The definition of an invasive species is a species that is not native to the area and takes room and resources that other native plants require for survival. On our lab trip to Seaholm Hill, our TA stopped to point out the Himalayan blackberry as a prime example of an invasive species. One reason it is hard to remove is that it can grow both from seeds and from roots even if the rest of the plant is removed. Our lead guides instructed us specifically to try and remove the large root balls that lie several inches below the surface. If you do not remove them, then the plant will grow back just as healthy the next year. Next topic is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a factor in why the Himalayan blackberry is harmful as an invasive species. The plant grows vertically for a year and then proceeds to grow sideways, spreading over and through the other native plants. Their leaves are large in order to take up as much space as possible. The more surface area they take up, the more sunlight they can absorb, and the less light makes its way to the plants below. Third topic is human impacts, which we learned about in lab. Humans have a big role in the ecosystem, good and bad. We build dams over rivers. We use artificial selection to create hundreds of different breeds. And our pollution creates dead zones in local water environments. We can help bring a species back from the brink of extinction, and yet we are often the ones that drove it there in the first place. We are responsible for introducing many of the invasive species into the area. Now we are influencing the ecosystem again by trying to undo that. Thank you.